For this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the LG 360 camera that we have in the room. When you go out, what you're going to find is you're going to be looking for this bag currently. This bag currently houses everything that you need for the LG camera. There are some alternate accessories I'll talk about in a minute, but if you just grab this and checked it out and went, you'd probably be pretty fine. So let's open it up, take a peek, and see what's inside. Inside, what you'll find is there is a white cable inside. This white cable, one end hooks into the bottom of the camera. The other end is the USB side, and that can hook in to charge or hook into your camera or your computer. Sorry about that. It can hook in there. There's also a memory card reader. While there are some different ways to upload your final photos and videos, the best way we have found is to use this memory card reader to hook up to your computer and to transfer the files onto it that way and use it from there. The memory card that you'll see is a micro SD card, so it's going to be in this little slot on the side right here and not on one of the larger SD slots that you might be used to. Other things that are in here, we have a little tripod that you can use. Works like this, screw mounts on top. This button, if you push it in on the side, you can rotate the camera and have it be a different direction if you want. You also might find that you want to use a different type of small little tripod for this thing, or a large one. We have large tripods in the checkout room, and in one of the cabinets we do have some small tripods about this size that have bendable, opposable arms that you could wrap around something depending on where you wanted to put the thing, so you might want to check those out as well. Final thing we have in here is the 360 cam itself. It is this LG. This is a protective case over the top of it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull down on this. I'm going to push in on these two buttons and pull the top part off, and the camera comes out. Okay. Now the camera itself, if we turn to the bottom here, we can see that the mount is there for the tripod that you might be using that. So I would just screw the tripod into here when I was ready for it, and it'll sit on there. I'll show you that in a second. The other thing, there is a little trap door here on the bottom. If I open that up, what I see is there is one space to plug that white cord in if I was going to charge the camera and needed to do that. And the other part right here is a little micro SD card. I just push in on that, the micro SD card comes out. I can transfer the files off that way. As soon as we get done transferring those files, this needs to go back in here. We only have one of these. So please make sure that it just lives in here and we're not doing anything with it. I just pushed it back in, shut the door, and I'm ready to go. The camera itself, it's fairly easy. There's a power button right here that I'm going to push in and turn it on. There's a button on front that you can manually take photos with if you want to do that. And then the other thing that you'll see is there is a serial number. There's a white little sticker right here with an S/N on it. The serial number's there. And the serial number, if you're ever asked for a password for the camera, it's actually the last 6 numbers of the serial number with a 00 in front. So it's 00 and then the last 6 numbers of the camera that we have here, and that's how you would connect to this if the app ever asks you for a password. So let me turn this on here. Here it turned on there, and now I'm going to go in and show you the app and what we have there. Okay, so the app itself on your phone, it's a free app to download, and it is this LG 360 Cam app that you see right here. There's the icon that you should be looking for, and search 360 Cam or LG 360 Cam, and you go ahead and open that up, and the app should be looking like this for you. What we see up here is that's where we're going to connect to it. This will help take our photos. This we can review photos and videos we've taken, and down here our settings button, we can change some of the settings if we want. Now if I go to connect up here, I'm going to hit the connect button, and it's going to come up and it's going to ask me to select a device, and this is where I should see the LG camera in here. Now if the camera's not in there, I can do a couple things to troubleshoot to try to get it in there. I can hit this button on the front right here and it'll take a photo, which sometimes wakes it up, or I can just back out of this. I tried coming back in, and maybe it's there, and hopefully that works. It is here again. So what I'm going to do though, when I do see it, I'm going to select it, and now what it's going to do is tell me to, in a second here, We'll see now it says, please connect to the 360 camera. I didn't connect right away. I pulled down on it to refresh it. It says open settings Wi-Fi and select the 360 cam and connect to Wi-Fi. So now to get this to work, I do need to come into, and instead of currently being connected to the school's Wi-Fi, I need to come in here and under these choose a network, there should be an LG option. Again, the kind of camera we have is an LG, so I'm going to select that. Camera just made a noise. And so now I'm going to go back into the camera itself, and I should be able to take a photo. Okay, so I go in here, and now my options are, I click the camera at top, and now what it's going to do is it's showing me what is here. I can actually move this camera up here, and well, that's weird. It's like I'm here, and I'm there too. And oh, there's Anthony back there. He's working. You probably saw him. Anyway, so picture-wise, though, if we're ready for this, we see down at the bottom there is a camera icon. I can just hit that once. Okay, took a picture there. And on the other side here, I'm going to take a video. It goes black for a second. It starts recording up there. Tells you how long. 20 minutes. I really probably would only do 360 videos of a minute or two. The files are huge. People probably aren't going to want to watch a lot more than that anyway, so do not try to run that 20 minutes down unless you talk to me about it or something like that. But that's really simple. When I get done, I'm just going to go ahead and hit the stop button right down here. Okay, and I'm good to go. Now you can flip some of those things around. Now if you want to see what it is that you took a photo of, you can either come down here and look. You can come back here. If I go into my gallery, I can see some different things. I can click and see the photo that I took a few seconds ago. And then if I want to check the video, I'm going to back out of there and I can check the video. Now videos take a second to download, so it's going to give you a download message. Okay, taking a little longer than just a still photo because videos take up a lot more data than photos do. And when it comes down, I'm going to be able to hit the play button that's on this thing, and then we're going to be able to see it. So it's about ready right now. Again, the best way when you get these things done to transfer them is to take the memory card out of the 360 camera, plug it into a computer, and upload your images and videos that way. And now we see, I'm talking, but that's not me, and we can spin this around in its 360 video of what we were just doing there. So anyway, and that's really all it is about how to use the 360 camera. If you have other questions, please ask me. I'll probably make another video about what to do with the 360 photos and videos once you have them. So good luck with everything. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.